There it is. There it is. There it is. I see it. Power flash. Time is 6:48. We're north of Mesquite, Texas here. It's a loose circulation, but it's there. There it is. I see it.
Yeah, there you go. One power flash is right over there.
Yep. There it is. I see it. Yeah, get it. Oh, it's right there.
Yeah, I see it. See the edge of it there. Big tornado.
Oh, big
right
tornado.
It's radar. It's right ahead of us.
Okay.
And it's ahead of us by probably a mile or so.
Oh, I see it. It's crossing the highway right there. I can see it.
Yep, there it is.
Big tornado.
Big, strong tornado.
Yeah,
Probably just moving north of the highway now.
No, it's
Can't see it but for the power flashes. Oh, there it is. Whoa!
Oh, it's big.
That is big.
Oh, there's stuff
man.
flying in the air. Get it? Yeah.
I got it.
Oh, there's people stopping on the highway.
Can't see the whole circuit.
Yeah.
So maybe slow down a second.
Yep.
It's probably north of the highway-ish now.
I can still see it. It's still there. Yeah, it's right there. Right? I can see it.
Yeah, that's it. That's a monster.
It's big. Oh, it's very big. Oh, it's massive.
Wow.
Oh my gosh, it's big. It's hitting stuff.
Look at all that, dude.
Get it.
The power flashes are back here.
Oh, it's a big tornado. Big, strong tornado.
There it goes.
Are you getting it?
Yep.
Oh, the sound of it. There it is. It went over the lake. Yeah, I'm closing it. Oh.
Are you going to close this one?
Yes. Hold on a second.
Wow, look at that. Look at all those power flashes.
Yep. Oh, Lord.
Under the big wall cloud, and there's still debris getting kicked up.
There
from what
is.
I can tell.
People in the way
But
now.
it appears to be weakening, which is good.
It crossed right
Hopefully
here.
for the town here. And then over to the left again.
It crossed right here.
That's a big, massive.
All right, there's debris on the road.
And
it hit the gap. Oh my gosh.
wow.
There's utter
Just
destruction.
went through here.
Get that. Oh, it's natural. There's gas leaking.
Smell gas.
There's gas leaking. You can hear it.
Just listen to the car.
Car flashes.
Yep.
Yeah, I'm listening.
Doesn't sound like you have a flat, but that's a nice little vortex in there.
Oh.
Whoa, look at the lightning go across it. Lots of power lines, be careful.
Yeah, I know.
You don't know what to expect in the road up here.
Ooh, like that.
Yeah. Funny that I would say it right then.
It's big.
It is.
Again.
It's getting big. Nice little cone in there.
Oh, multi-vortex.
Actually, a big cone, not a little cone.
You getting it?
Yeah, I'm getting it.
Now we're going to continue north. Here.
It's not careful with the driving, obviously.
Is it to our north? Is that the circulation going on?
Yeah. Hold on, there's stuff on the road here. Slow down. The circulation's to the north. That's the tornado up there.
Okay, all right.
We'll slow down, because I can't see a damn thing. I think, yeah,
Yeah, it's
we're
up
okay.
ahead of us. Right?
It's up ahead of me.
What is this over here behind us? Is that just RFD?
I hope so.
Oh, you hope so. That's wonderful.
Yeah, it's got to be RFD.
Oh my God, it's huge.
Well, if you're in doubt, dude, just stop. Just go north.
Well, I just want to make sure you're the one that's. Yeah, it's up ahead of us.
Yeah.
I mean, mean, you're reading radar. I'm doing video here.
I'm also.
All right, we're good. I can tell. I can see RP.